hot. So the oven's gonna do most of the work for you anyways. So you don't have to really worry about, as long as you know you have them all not squishing with each other. Okay, as you can see, there you go. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here. Just a little. I'm just gonna drizzle it over here. Just give it a little base. Do its thing. Now it's a gas oven, so it's amazing. Now, what I'm gonna do is butter on everything. And butter helps makes it crispy. So putting just a tad bit of butter. I love this dish. Once it's done, I think this is like the key to everything. Butter on everything. Now I'm only putting a little bit because, like I said, like this is just so I can get like a crispy skin. Okay, Chichi, relax. My dog be up and everything. Okay, just a tad here, a tad there. Now you guys are probably thinking like, oh my god, girl, why are you putting so much butter? But you're gonna see why I did what I did. You guys will love this dish. Once it's done, I think this is like the key to everything. Butter on everything. Now I'm only putting a little bit because, like I said, like this is just so I can get like a crispy skin. Okay, Chichi, relax. Oh my god, girl, why are you putting so much butter? But you're gonna see why I did what I did. So I'm coming down to the last. Okay. Okay. Just slip that. Okay, slip that in too. Once that is done, you're gonna get a tin foil and you're gonna wrap it up. Literally. Seal it very tight. And we're gonna put it in the oven for about, I want to say, with me, I put it in for like just about an hour. I think an hour, put it out before, depending how you like the cooking. But me, I like my chicken cooked thoroughly, so we're not doing no Chef Ramsay kitchen. So this is Techless kitchen, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna do that with the tin foil now. I'm gonna pierce some little bit going through. Okay, that's a little bit of a big pierce, but you get me, okay? So just like that. Right now the oven is at 145, so it's not ready to be put in the oven yet because we're preheating it to be. Okay, so we have the tomatoes and cucumbers cut up. So we're gonna add a drizzle of olive oil, and I bought some feta. And I'm so dumb because I went and I bought more feta. Like I didn't have feta in the house already. This just stressed me out. So this is how the feta comes. So I'm only gonna use about a quarter of it. I know y'all like extra feta and all that stuff. So feta is just something that just breaks in your hand. Okay. I love me feta, so yeah, it's a feta kind of thing, yeah? So you add some feta and some salt and pepper just to give it some taste. Okay, a little drizzle of salt, some salt and pepper. There we go. Well, right there. So just mix it gently and okay. Like some people may add other things, but this is my thing right here. Okay. But I'm gonna make my own garlic butter from scratch. So all you need is a pot. Oh, we're gonna this one. Maybe I should get a. Now this is all mixed good. Shout out to Tanya for cutting this for me. Okay. Now, the part, like I said, like just sweet garlic and so now generally the garlic comes, just peel it that way. Okay, I'm gonna put about 3 cloves and I'm gonna let it do its thing. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this in the pan. God, my freaking pan's not even on. Okay, so pop it in the pan. I'm gonna roast it a little bit so it has like a taste to it. Just a drizzle of olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna let the garlic do its thing. Now, because I'm making my own garlic from scratch, it's something that can be used for later on too. You know, if you have leftovers, you're more than welcome to have your garlic butter because it's always good on something, right? So, add about 3 spoons. Okay. And just let it do its thing. Now, everybody has a different method on how they do their garlic butter, but I found last time when I made it like this, it worked. So, can't complain, right? So, cool it down because you don't want it to run more than everything, okay? So, that's that. We're going to let the butter do its thing. It's the worst when you don't think you have milk to make mashed potatoes. Goddamn, what are you going to do? Okay, but anyways. So I decided to make some mashed potatoes. I am going to actually make some corn. I like this brand corn. Damonte? I don't know. I always think about language, that's what it is. Now I'm thinking it's gonna get the garlic flavor just because I have them in there. And just cook it on real low temperature. And you gotta make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Like I said before, you don't want to burn things out here. It's just not happening. So put that in the fridge for a bit. Remember, I said to clean up as you go, so that way you don't have a whole bunch of shit. Now, because I bust open the whole garlic, I'm gonna savor it and put them in the fridge. So, which is a good thing. Right now we are at, where are we at now? So I have about 33 minutes left for it, and I'm gonna take it out, right? So, that garlic taste, yeah, Now, I like my bread toasty. So, going. It's taking forever to boil. Alright. And this is where we are right now with the butter. But Jambone wants some more, no? That you only legit, only. And I'm gonna use this. I think it works really good. Kind of give it like a grummer. So we'll do that with it. Now, you see how thin? This is going to be cut into 4s. So I'll put that in here and we're going to pop it in the oven. So put that in here. What's going on with my chicken? Okay. So this is where we are with the chicken. So I'm gonna take this off because I think I got it to the point where it seems good. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put it back so I can get colors. Okay, that's where we're at. And that is a wrap. Okay guys, so I just cut up the broccoli, and if you can come a little closer, I have the corn and the butter here doing its thing. Here's my garlic butter right here, which I'm going to put in a bowl. Okay, so like I said, this is like more of a roasted, right? Because I made that roast. So that's the butter. Like, we'll move this over here. Okay. And guys, there we have it. Just a little toasty. Now keep in mind, I'm going to I'm just gonna have, okay, and what we call that, a flatbread. Now, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of garlic butter on there. Normally I put it on the bottom and then I pour it, but I think I'm going to try something different. So, we're going to pour like this. Because we want every flavor infused. Okay. 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 So we get all the flavors in here. Okay. And then I'm going to pop it back in the oven just for about like a minute. For about, let's say, probably like 4 minutes tops. That way, they can guys, here we have it. We have my Mediterranean flatbread. I'm excited to try it. So, Tanya is going to be my tester. We're going to try it today. It's nice and crispy. Okay. Could never be a side thing. Alright. So guys, so I'm gonna start tasting this out, but I'm also putting this up for my snap because my snap needs to know what I'm doing tonight, so we're gonna be vlogging tonight. And cut it.
Pussy so wet, make a nigga taste. And then I'll ride him like a greyhound. If he a fuck nigga, tell him bounce. You know my closet got a
Flavors are there. Tastes really good. I'm not all up in the camera. It tastes really good. Now,
I'm getting money with my eyes closed. I ain't gotta sell no pussy and no con.
It's good, right? And that's how we do it, girl. You can go. Okay, guys. So I'm officially done cooking. So I have my corn, mashed potatoes, and some broccolini. And the most important meal of the day is the chicken. Now, as you can see, you see how the chicken looks, has a little gravy in it. Yeah. Well, I'm happy you guys came into my world tonight. I'm hot, I'm tired, and I'm probably not gonna eat all this food that I made because normally when I cook, I normally can't eat right away. So most likely, I'll probably will be enjoying this meal tomorrow while I'm at work for lunch. On a side note, I really hope that you guys tune in. Welcome to Techless Kitchen. You know, it's real, it's poppin'. Alright guys, so here you have it. I am going to... Alright guys, here we have it.